Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Jennifer, at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we're looking at your always fun to drive 2018 Toyota Tacoma 4x4 double cab V6 with the TRD Pro package. It is a take from the TRD off-road package with upgraded TRD tuned front coil springs plus your TRD tuned rear leaf springs. You also have your Fox shock absorbers, your rigid industry LED fog lamps, and your black bezel headlamps and tail lamps to tie all of that sweet style together with your upgraded hood scoop and wheels.
Helping you into your TRD Pro is your handy smart key system. It's got the lock, the unlock, as well as the panic button. To unlock your driver's side, simply press once. To unlock all four doors, press twice. As you can see, you have your stylish turn signal indicator plus your TRD Pro badging. And what we're going to do now is we're going to lock up those doors, put the keys into my pocket here, and by simply running your hand across that handle, it will unlock for you so you don't have to fish for those keys anymore. Right away, you're greeted by a rugged and sporty interior. You have this added running board which stretches all the way to your back passengers for easy access. You have storage on the side as well as your power windows, your power locks, and your power adjustable side mirrors. Here you can see that there's the differential lock system operation instructions still on, so you can take a look at that. A great feature to have, especially if you get stuck. And you have your cargo lamp as well as your 120 volt AC plug-in power, your fully automatic high beams as part of your Toyota safety sense. You have your full set of all-weather floor mats to keep everything nice and clean, and the real showstopper being your leather interiors here with that contrasting red stitching, plus your TRD Pro badging to tie all of that sweet style together. But why don't we hop on inside and start it up. Starting up your Tacoma, simply put your foot on the brake there and you hit that push start button. That dashboard's gonna light up, that engine's gonna roar, you got that welcome screen, you also have your touch panel display on the side. Here you can see that we have your blue ambient lighting, plus you have your multi-information display, which you can control from your steering wheel mounted controls. Opening up your settings now, you have your Toyota safety sense features like your pre-collision system and your lane departure alert. With your controls, you can turn on and off those settings as well as set the sensitivity of those sensors on your front. You have your volume control and your mode changers as well as your voice command and your hands-free calling mounted on that side. Plus you have your dynamic radar cruise control, part of your Toyota safety sense, and your cruise control can be set from below there. You have your automatic headlights so you don't have to forget to turn them on. Plus you have your fog lamps. You also have a leather wrapped steering wheel with that perforated leather detailing. Taking a look at your LCD screen now. We'll turn on the daytime mode so you can see. Opening up your applications, you have your navigation system, great for taking your Tacoma on that exciting adventure, and it is a very user-friendly system as well. So definitely come on in, punch in your home address, and see how it works for you. Opening up your audio system, you have your AM, FM radio, Sirius XM radio, you have got your CD player on top with your USB, auxiliary, and Bluetooth audio, so you can bring your music wherever you go. Now, shifting into a reverse, you can see that your backup camera also pops up on that screen there. A standard feature in all 2018 Toyotas to ensure that you keep everything that's important to you nice and safe. Now, one more thing I want to show you is opening up your setup here. You can also customize the color of your menu. So here is the orange to whatever matches your personality. You can also rearrange your home screen. Below here you'll find your dual zone climate control with the digital display. You also do have your heated seats for both your driver and your passenger side. You've got your 4x4 option, of course a must with your Toyota Tacoma. And here are all those manual controls as well as your automatic climate control and the option to sync plus your air conditioning. This option is your heated side mirrors. You also do have your blind spot monitor with that alert popping up on your side view mirrors to warn you of any oncoming traffic in your blind spot. You have your power slide rear window as well as your USB auxiliary input and your 12-volt DC charger. You've got a lamp below there for visibility, plus your media storage. You've got stylish cup holders. You've got your sport drive mode on your shift knob with your leather trim on both your shift knob and your parking brake. You've got your cup holders with your chrome detailing. Inside your center console, plenty of space to store everything that you need, plus another 12-volt DC charger in there in case you need to charge your tablet for work. Inside of your glove box, you'll find all the manuals you'll need to know everything there is to know about your Tacoma TRD Pro, plus there's a lock there to keep everything nice and safe. And of course, there's that chrome detailing finishing off your fans and wrapping up the interior styling. But why don't we hop on back and take a look at cargo. Here we are at the back cargo area of your Tacoma. Taking a closer look, you do have that power slide rear window to let in all that fresh air. You also do have that rear cargo lamp in case you're working in the back of your truck. As you can see, your wheel wells are covered, plus you have your standard mud flaps to keep those rock chips down, as well as improve the sound quality inside of your truck. Taking a closer look at your wheels, you have your upgraded Wrangler all-terrain tires and your TRD rims. You also do have your chrome tipped exhaust, as well as your blacked out emblems, your Tacoma badging, plus your step into your Tacoma's back cargo. You have your trailer and towing equipment, as well as your spare tire storage below, plus your standard backup camera. Opening up that easy lift and lower tailgate. No more slamming that door down. Your TRD Pro comes with a box liner so that it's all ready for you to load up. You also do have your 120 volt AC plug-in in the back there, which you can turn the power on and off from your driver position. As we take one more look at the back of your TRD Pro. Taking one final look at your 2018 Toyota Tacoma 4x4 double cab V6 with the TRD Pro package. Built right into your Tacoma is your Toyota Safety Sense features like lane departure alert and pre-collision system. Plus you have your added Star safety system with features like your blind spot monitor and rear cross traffic alert for the most comfortable ride you've ever been in. But don't just take my word for it. Come on in, take it for a test drive. We are at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.